This radiator is probably the same size as most Japanese.
Yo!
We're gonna make a catback for it.
We've got a brand new lift coming, all in the first building. They're installing the brand new lift, the big boy lift. Let's go check it out.
It's my baby, my little love child of the well.
Got this chaser in for an inspection. And that thing, check this out. Little engine in there, in the passenger seat.
And it's fuel injected?
Hell yeah, dude. God, EFI, brother. Factory
Safe.
wiring.
There's no bare wires. And they're red for fast.
They're red for fast. This radiator is probably the same size as most fucking Japanese.
Yo!
That turbo,
How small is it?
I don't even know if you can call it one.
Dude,
It's the same one on an RV. It's that turbo's the same one on like an RV26. Just a single.
It's so tiny.
It's Oliver to like raise his car.
It needs to be lower.
Shut up, Austin!
Big ass 3-inch just straight pipe.
I'd say that's average.
3-inch dingly dong pipe. Holy shit, it's just straight pipe. No wonder. Maybe not.
Don't worry, Oliver. We'll censor that part.
Then they should. But they're just fun.
Colin, am I centered?
I think so. Are you excited, Vic?
Yeah!
What are we doing?
Exhaust. We're gonna make a catback for it.
Give us like a rundown on your idea here. We're gonna take this off and then what?
Hey man, I'm a little busy here. Give me a second.
The exhaust is out, Vic.
It's off!
Ooh, what is that?
Look at that rust, dude.
Ew.
Honestly, it's not that bad. I've seen worse. Next, I copy that flange.
This little guy?
That guy right there.
Flange all designed, Vic.
The truck started. Yeah, pretty much. I need to cut it out and then test fit it, but pretty much there.
We have to go get gas and what else? And rod.
Careful.
Yeah. I wonder how much argon does weigh.
We're gonna have to look this up and get all scientific about it. Wear my doctor's outfit. Dude, I should get a lab coat.
We should get a turnstile one. We could. I bet you we could.
That'd be sick.
Let's see that. That's rod right there, boy.
Colin,
Yeah.
you ready to go back to the shop?
Yes,
We're
sir.
ready. We got exhaust hangers. These I will be bending, welding to the exhaust, and they go in here. This is a 2.5 inch to 3 inch reducer or adapter. This is just to go from 2.5 from the stock exhaust to the 3 inch the customer wants.
Put that back up there, Ricky boy.
This right here,
Yeah,
my
right there.
exhaust flange, I just designed and cut out on my fancy rusted out plasma table.
Damn. Fits like a glove.
That's right. That's right. You know why? Because I made it. That's why. I made it.
Damn.
Yeah, that's why.
He's him.
I'm him, dude. I'm Himothy.
Any of your guys' cars, you're gonna have a dipstick for checking the oil. Generally, it can be a bright color, it can be an orange, a yellow. Sometimes it will just be a plain black plastic. Dip it down, pull it back up. You're gonna completely clean it off so it's dry. Push it down. Now you can check. You have the perfect amount of oil in your car. Any of your small repairs, I highly recommend going to like a specialty independent shop, not the dealership, because you're gonna save a ton of money and you're gonna get people that are like just as good at working on their cars. When it comes to the high-red stuff, you need to go to the dealer. They just have the equipment for it, unfortunately, and they really have a market on it. But unfortunately, if you have a hybrid car, that's kind of but this is the coolant just for the electrical. That's why this is kind of weird.
So you get a flat tire on this side, right? You gotta find this thing. So this is your jack. This is the handle. Move jack up and down. Which is, you have to grease that. This is your lug wrench. This is what you'll use to take your lug nuts off. Cool.
There's a hubcap on here.
I know. I'm good with that, dude. Alright, dude. The easiest way to break them loose is probably gonna be picking it for you guys.
You can get this at AutoZone, it's $34.
Whoa!
It'll fit in the back of your car. For most of your cars, it'll fit under it as well. It's cheap. You can probably find one on Amazon. I don't know if I trust that one.
Just read the reviews.
Yeah, definitely go through the reviews.
So for that one,
Well, it does. It probably has a W on it, but
what happens if the wheel is not on the street?
Dad will shame you.
your dad would shame you. This is where you're gonna tighten the start formation. You put your foot on it, Give it a little good crank.